Student, good morning. Today we will start the topic role of carbohydrate in metabolism. Which role is of carbohydrates in the metabolic activity? Carbohydrates are the building blocks, structural elements and fuel energy providers of life. Glucose is a structural unit from which many more complex sugars as well as starch and cellulose are built. The pentose sugar, ribose and deoxyribose are the constituents or RNA and DNA respectively. Sugars respectively, especially glucose, are called the fuels of life. 1 mole 180 grams of glucose yield about 686,000 calories on complete oxidation to carbon dioxide and water. Glycogen is reserve fuel. Many glycosides have a strong action on the heart. The non-sugar part of these molecules is usually a steroid. In digitalis of glycosides, the non-sugar part is digitonin. Heparin, a mucopolysaccharide, is a powerful anticoagulant found in the liver and other organs of vertebrates. Carbohydrates have a role in the regulation of fat metabolism and are the essential for the normal oxidation of fats. Restriction of carbohydrates in diet leads to more rapid metabolization of fats. Carbohydrates also have a protein sparing functions. They are performs metabolized spraying proteins for building of tissue. Indigestible carbohydrates provided the roughage of food, helping peristaltic movement of the digestive tract. Lactose promotes the growth of desirable bacteria in intestine. Oxidation is defined as the removal of electrons and reduction, a gain of electron. When one compound is oxidized, another must be reduced. Oxidation and reduction reaction can be described by the difference in the electron donation potential. Redox or E between reactant and products. This is measures in Holtz relative to hydrogen. Electron-negative compounds donate electrons to the hydrogen electrodes, whereas electropositive compounds receive electrons from the hydrogen electrodes. E is the related to triangle G by the following equation is where n equals the number of electrons transferred in the reaction and the F is the Faraday's constant 23.062 kilocalorie holds. Notes that negative angle G produces a positive E. For biological system, the energy difference is given as the E degrees, which is defined under the same standard conditions as G degree. pH will all the other reactions at 1 mole concentration. Obviously, this is not the concentration at which the reactant are found in the cells. When the reduced membrane one pair gives electrons to reduces the oxidized membrane of another pairs that has a more positive E degree, which this level you can see that the NADH reduces FADH2 reduces coenzymes Q, and molecular oxygen is reduced by all other compounds listed. The electrons transport or respiratory chain functions by passing electrons from the more electronegative compounds such as NADH and FADH2 to more electropositive ones such as coenzymes Q and cytochrome C. The final electron recipient of the electron of the respiratory chain is molecule oxygen. The E for the entire chain is the 1.14 volts or minus 52.6 kilocalorie mole. This is the role of carbohydrates in metabolism and oxidation reduction. Okay, thank you.